Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and the mini series Money Minutes, which we haven't done in a while, where I answer common money questions in just a few minutes. The purpose is to give you bite-sized financial guidance when you're running short on time. So because our time here is brief, let's dive right into today's question, which is, how do I figure out my net worth? Your net worth is simply everything you own, your assets, minus everything you owe, which are your liabilities. Some common examples of assets would be things like savings accounts, checking accounts, retirement or investment accounts, real estate property, or even your vehicle. Now, some common examples of liabilities would be things like credit card or consumer debts, loans of any kind, think personal loans, student loans, auto loans, or even a mortgage. Quick little note here, yes, the equity you've built up in your home and in your vehicle, those count towards your net worth. But many financial professionals actually debate whether or not to include the increased value of your home in your overall net worth. Over time, real estate prices tend to increase, and sometimes they can increase dramatically in certain pockets of the country. For example, your home may increase in value by, say, $300,000, and you may now look at it and say, well, factoring in my home's value, I am now a millionaire with all my other savings. And while it technically may be true, if you're not planning on selling your home is not going to help your bottom line. Only if you sell your home would you realize that gain. So as a conservative rule, it's better just to keep saving and investing and working your way towards becoming a millionaire that way, rather than hoping your home will increase enough in value to get you to be a millionaire. Generally, it is a good idea to keep an eye on your net worth, maybe every 6 months or every single year. You could calculate that. There should be a trend. It should be going up every single year. You should be noticed that you're doing a little bit better and becoming worth a little bit more. Now, NerdWallet does have a really awesome calculator that you can punch some numbers in and see what your net worth is. If you don't want to just tally everything on your own, I will link it down below if you are interested. Now, because this is how we are as people, we all want to know how we compare to everyone else. I'm going to throw some tables up and we are going to look how people stack up with their incomes and their net worth in the US. This first chart here looks at the average net worth of families based on their income. With this table, we can see that as your income increases, your net worth also tends to rise, which is to be expected. Remember, the important thing for net worth is not how much you make, but how much you keep. Also, one more chart. Let's quickly look at the average net worth by age. Again, you are going to notice a pattern. As you get older, net worth is likely to increase. And that's attributed to a greater number of working and saving years under your belt, and the fact that your income is likely to be increasing over time. Well, that's gonna do it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Give it a like on your way out if you did. If you're new here, please consider subscribing or even consider sharing with a friend, as sharing this content really does help the channel. I hope you guys have a great week. I will see you next week. Bye.